ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí Alaseyori TV ATV Alaseyori TV. Mo fẹ́ fídíò kan yìí. Nínú fídíò yìí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi èrò yín hàn síta. Lóòótọ́ ìlú gángan lọ̀rọ̀ lé ayé, bó bá kọ wájú sẹ́nìkan ẹ̀yìn báyìí ni ó kọ sọ́mọ ẹlòmíì. Èrò yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ a fẹ́ mọ̀ ọ́, kò á mọ síbẹ̀ nìkan. A mọ̀ wípé ẹ ń fẹ́ràn ètò yìí àtàwọn ohun tá à ń gbé jáde tó jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan ìgbàdégbà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú àwùjọ wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò ó, ẹ máa subscribe, ẹ máa like, kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ máa share ẹ̀.
Ìgbà mo ń tẹ̀ kájọ ní ọlọ́dẹ sọ fún mi pé kẹlẹ́bù àtàǹpàkò rẹ̀ tó ń jọ bẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀. Ẹ jọ o, ẹ̀mí ọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ wọ bí pásọ̀ bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́rù bá wọn ìyà ń jẹ wá.
We are suffering, sir. Mr. Bat, we are suffering.
Abẹ́ ìsìnkìlá wí, ọ̀làgbára pọ̀. Ẹ wá sọ gbogbo wa di wèrè
I
kalẹ̀.
turn over to lunatics.
Ọ̀rọ̀ àti rẹpọ̀ rẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn tí ń gbé mọ́tò wá chọ́ọ̀tì máa gbé mọ́tò wá mọ́. Mo ní kí ló dé, mo ní kí ló wọ́n ní dájú ọ̀rọ̀ epo rẹ̀. Àníkàlà ti ẹ̀rí nǹkan kan já jẹun. Amen. Amen. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ sọ́kọ̀ yìí.
You know what you said.
Bí ọba díjà ẹjọ́ díjà.
If it's fight, it will be
Bí ọba
fight.
dẹ̀gùn ẹjọ́ dọ̀gùn.
Then you come back.
Ìpájú yìí ti kọ́ wá.
It is too much.
Ẹ wọ́ ẹ kúkú jẹ́ àgbẹ̀ fábàṣà.
Don't give.
Ẹ jẹ́ àgbẹ̀ fábàṣà náà. Àkọ́kọ́ àbáṣà gba àjùbá yìí lọ. Ẹ lọ ti kú ni. Ẹ̀sà àkọ́kọ́ àbáṣà gan bẹ́tà. Eléyìí ti kọjá. Eléyìí ti kọjá. Amen. Eléyìí ti kọjá. Gbogbo àwọn ará àdúgbò mo bá ní ọkọ nínú gbàdúrà kílẹ̀ ń sẹ́ kálukú ń kọ́ igi kílẹ̀ bá wọn lè pọ̀ kẹrọsínì o kò sí rọ́ọ̀lù gáàsì ò sí rọ́ọ̀lù iná gáàsì padà síná lákòókò àbáta iná igi ṣẹṣẹ bàbá Tinubu sẹ sọba sẹ káwọn máa gbàdúrà ìgẹ́sì alẹ́ gbà o àwọn alágbà ti bàbá sá o àwọn alágbà ti bàbá sá ṣẹ ká gbà ẹ má jà pàdé ọ̀rẹ́ náà o ọ̀sùn kala fún yín o. Ani ẹ wa kó wa sẹ́wọ̀n ẹ wa kó wa sẹ́wọ̀n ẹ sáfẹ́ lẹ́wọ̀n ló jẹ ẹ pípa ni ẹ má pa wa ẹ sáfẹ́ lẹ́wọ̀n ló jẹ yọ̀nà òtí ẹ̀gbáǹdò n'oúnjẹ Àbújá ìkànnì ni o àti rẹ̀ mi Tinubu mo de láìkì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu yín jọ yẹn ẹni ká gbàdúrà fún yín wípé ẹ nídìí owó Nàìjíríà you say so I quote you quoted and I listened and I heard you only your family don't need Nigeria money to survive I was excited when you were spoken when you were speaking when you were speaking when you were talking. Anyone there but I just
Everything is correct.
Sister Remi, I was very excited. Lọ́jọ́ yẹn, l'Abuja.
Yes, sir.
Adé wa dákẹ́dákẹ́. Ẹ wọ ọ̀rọ̀ kìíní kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ gbẹ̀yàn wá gbẹ̀yàn. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń bí bàyà pọ̀.
Yes, sir.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ pọ̀ ẹ sábà wọ́n lẹ ẹgbẹ́ mi. Ẹgbẹ́ mi. Kó sẹ́ni tí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi ẹgbẹ́ mi. Àwọn áńgẹ́lì ni ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi. You don't need Nigeria money to survive. You
You said it, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You said my family don't need Nigeria to survive. Then you said we should be praying for you that you will surprise us. Surprise the burúkú rẹ.
Negative surprise.
Yes, sir.
Surprise the burúkú rẹ.
Negative surprise is what you are showing us.
Ìgbà tára wa kan àwọn aráàlú wọn wá fara mọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ wọn wá na ọ̀sán dábẹ́ wà mọ́ ẹgbẹ́rú ẹ̀yìn láyé ni àwọn àjọ náà wá yarí pé ẹ̀sọ́ pásítọ̀ ìyá ti jáwájú Nàìjíríà nìkan ni a ti sọ pé wọ́n ọ̀sán dábẹ́ wà mọ́. Only Nigeria o. Mi gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ l'Amẹ́ríkà.
No, it's not that.
Mi gbọ́ Canada.
It's not done that.
Mi gbọ́ Spain.
It's not done that.
Torí inú ọwọ́ ni a ti ń ṣe kí ni o. Ẹ dẹ̀ wá fẹ́ sọ gbogbo wa dọ́mọ ọ̀rọ̀ àpáàdì tán.
To vagabonds, why?
Amen. Ẹ jọ sá.
Please, sir.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù.
Mr. Bat.
Kó tó di December.
Before December.
Ṣé December ò tí pọ̀ jù?
Nah, it's pọ̀ jù dájú. November.
Lẹ́yìn eléyìí tẹ́ wò yìí mo tún fẹ́ fi kan hàn yín. Kí sì ni mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín? Ẹ farabalẹ̀ wò ó ní o. Kódà ẹ share ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì kó lè jọ ṣàǹfààní fún kó wá.
How are you all doing? I am still in Botswana, yeah, and trust me, this is gonna be my last video from Botswana. I'm leaving the country this week. By the way, this is quite interesting, knowing that this is a country that right after independence they never had even a single university in the country, and guess what? The people came together to build the country's first ever university. You know how they did it? Can you come closer? You know how they did it? Each family member brought one
beast. One person, one beast.
What do you mean a beast?
A beast is a cow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
one man, one cow. So each family brought a cow, and then that money was raised to build a university. That is one of the best practices of fundraising in the African continent. In fact, in the whole world, where the entire country came together, donated a cow. This cow was sold as meat to the European Union, and the money raised to build a university. And it's out of this university since 1976 to 1978 that education in Botswana has been free.
So in Botswana, you get paid to go to school, just like that.
In Botswana, you get paid to go to university.
Oh, okay.
In Botswana, you get paid even to plow. In Botswana, is also free health.
Free health?
Yeah.
So everything is free.
This just shows you the kind of governance that you have in this country. You cannot find it anywhere on the planet.
Listen, I don't believe I need to find a student to talk to. Hi. Excuse me.
Hello, mommy.
Can I speak to you for 1 minute? Are you a student of this university? Is your tuition free? I'm sorry. No, is your tuition? Can I just one?
Don't worry.
Second. Is your tuition free? Oh. The tuition is free. Sponsored by the government. I'm sorry. I just can't believe it. That's what I'm asking. I know you don't want to be on camera, but it's okay. But you mean you go to school for free? Do you get a like monthly stipends or something? Did you? When are you receiving the first one? This month? This month you got it already? You finished it?
This month's allowance is coming on Friday.
On Friday? This week Friday? So maybe we can be friends and you give me half of your money.
How much do you guys get paid?
How much did they pay you every month?
1.5 because I'm on campus. I'm an on-campus student.
Your voice, I can't hear you. Why are you so shy? Like you're on campus, so you get how much?
1.5.
1.5. And if you're off campus, you have to get more of that?
You get 1.9.
That's a lot of money.
What do you mean? Like even if you live off campus, you have to get more money?
Yeah.
By the government?
Yeah. And they're talking about more than 16,000 students. And these are like A-class students. They passed from high school.
What? Yeah. Nah, this is a good country to stay in, man. Like, so which means you are being paid to go to school.
Basically.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Basically, no money comes from your parent. So you just, does it mean that from primary to school was free for you?
Yes.
What's the educational system here?
It's primary, secondary, and university.
Wow.
Where did you do your primary?
I went to a private school. So
Which one?
So she went to a private school.
Lapotse.
In Lapis West. East where?
Mau.
In Mau. It's one of the best schools in Mau.
Oh, wow.
Where you were in the Delta.
Oh, when I was in the Delta.
Yeah.
She's a rich kid then. She's a rich kid. No, really nice to meet you. And it's good to know that you go to school for free. Thank you.
What are you studying?
Bachelor of Sciences and Mathematics.
Wow.
Oh,
Interesting.
she's a smart lady too.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So this is a monument that is dedicated to the families that actually contributed a cow in order for them to build this university. So I don't know if you can see if your family member's name is in here. Let us know in the comment section. But much respect to all these people that sacrifice their cows in order for you and I to be educated freely in this university. Wow, so many people. It's like the entire country then. Look at that. Like the entire country donated. This is beautiful, man. I've never seen any story like this before. This is definitely my first time seeing something like this. So let me pick up one name and pronounce it. So JF Ramsden and family. Mr. and Mrs. G Skeletu. Yeah, so That is a beautiful African story. Shows how if we come together, even $1, we can actually build something. You know, this should be a lesson to Africans that you can't do things all by yourself. You know, Africans are communal. Let me show you one thing that you all don't know. We are the only race on planet Earth that our hair does not grow single. Like, our hair always grow together. It means that we always have to, you know, learn to work together. We are the only race. There's no race on Earth. Do your research and find out. And even our hair is stronger. So when we come together, we are mighty. This is an incredible story, and I hope you all learn from it. Thank you.
Ní báyìí ẹ ti wá wò ó lọ́rìn kínníwín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá wò yìí kí ni èrò tiyín? Aláṣeyọrí TV ó yàtọ̀. Àwa aláṣeyọrí la máa túnbọ̀ ṣàṣeyọrí tá a sì tún máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú àṣeyọrí. Mo mọ̀ wípé èyí tí ẹ̀ ń wò wá aláṣeyọrí nìyí torí èmi Tóbi aláṣeyọrí ni mí. Ẹ máa wò ó kẹ́ ẹ sì máa ṣàṣeyọrí lórí ATV Aláṣeyọrí TV.